Hello friends. Is your car losing power, misfiring, or struggling with acceleration? If your check engine light is on and your obd2 scanner shows code P0279, then your cylinder 7 fuel injector circuit is malfunctioning. This can cause serious performance issues and even engine damage if ignored, but don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what P0279 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0279? P0279 is a cylinder 7 injector circuit low fault. This means the fuel injector for cylinder 7 is not getting the right voltage or is clogged, leading to fuel delivery problems and an imbalance in engine performance. Common symptoms of P0279: check engine, light on, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and hesitation during acceleration, increased fuel consumption, strong fuel odor from exhaust, and hard starting or failure to start. Ignoring P0279 can cause long-term damage to the engine and catalytic converter. To diagnose and fix P0279, inspect these key locations. Cylinder 7 fuel injector, located near the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine. Fuel rail pressure sensor, usually found on the fuel rail. It monitors pressure and helps regulate fuel flow. Fuel injector wiring harness. The electrical connection between the ECU and the injector often runs along the engine. Engine control unit or ECU found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It controls injector timing. A fault in any of these parts could trigger P0279. Alright, so let's dive into the common causes of the P0279 code. First up, we have a faulty fuel injector. If the injector is clogged or malfunctioning, the fuel delivery to cylinder 7 is affected. Next, we have wiring or connector issues. Broken or corroded wires can cause signal interruptions, which is definitely something you don't want. Then there's low fuel pressure. A weak fuel pump or a clogged fuel filter can cause injector failure. And finally, an ECU malfunction. The ECU might not be sending the right signals to the injector. So, yeah, these are the main culprits behind the P0279 code. How to fix P0279? Well, here are the steps you need to follow. First, inspect and clean the fuel injector for cylinder 7. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor for any damage or incorrect readings. Then, examine the injector wiring harness for any broken or corroded wires. After that, test the fuel pump and filter to see if there's low pressure or clogging. Finally, scan and reset the ECU to clear any software errors. P0279 is a serious fuel system issue that can cause misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel economy. Fixing it early can prevent costly repairs and ensure a smooth and powerful drive. Want to learn more about fuel system problems? Watch these next videos: P0233, fuel pump secondary circuit intermittent, and P0234, turbocharger overboost condition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.